for today's hashtag Incognito FanCon 2025. And ngayon, syempre, we are having our second segment for tonight, a Q&A portion natin. Of course, Contracts, we have a set of questions for you guys from your fans. Kaya naman, ito na. This first set of questions is for everyone in the cast.
Yan, okay, from May, from Fans Club Walang DJ Forever. Anthony, we'll start with you. Can you think of one word that would describe the bond? Can you think of one word that would describe the bond that you have sa Incognito team? One word that would describe the bond that you guys have a cast.
Curly. Kulot.
Kulot. Parang buhok ni Anthony. Kulot.
Pansin Anthony. Kulot.
Okay, Maurice, go ahead. One word to describe your bond with the Incognito team. Tight. Yes. Okay. Mr. Daniel Padilla.
Family. Pamilya.
Yeah.
Okay, Ian.
Di matitibag.
Richard?
Solid.
Kyla. Strong.
Baron?
Comrades.
Hey!
Na talaga, no, blood is thicker than water, but comrades.
Oo, pag-contracts talaga. Blood is
Yes.
thicker than water. Okay, next one, we have another question from DJP Armies from Joanna. Goals you want to achieve this 2025? Anthony? Goals, yes.
Sige muna. What to achieve?
Yes.
Yung,
Alam gusto mo i-achieve, Anthony?
Kahit na
gusto ko maayos na kalagayan lang. Healthy lang.
Yes. Healthy. Okay, Maurice? Be stronger.
Daniel? Goals that you want to achieve, kahit top of mind goal.
Siguro yung magawa at matapos namin ng maigi itong ginagawa namin show na Incognito. And for me, my goal now is to make music again. So,
Okay, next naman, Ian?
Ako siguro to have a higher quality of connection with everyone I meet, family and strangers as well.
Thank you, Richard.
Sa akin siguro world peace.
Totoo, legit.
Hindi, yun nga, magawa namin na maayos ang Incognito, maging successful ang Incognito sa lahat ng mga kaya namin. At be closer with our family.
Thank you, Kyla.
Ako siguro growth in all aspects of my life. Growing in career, in everything that I have experienced and to nurture it and to continue to grow throughout the year. And as well as to be healthy also, to be more proactive with therapy.
Thank you, Kyla. Baron?
My goal is to be more dependable as a father, as a husband, also sa craft ko, sa aking career, and to have meaningful, purposeful relationships, not only with my peers, but the people that I will meet in 2025. So I also want to strengthen my faith in the Lord. So I believe that this 2025 is going to be a really good one for all of us. And that's my prayer.
Amen. Maraming salamat.
I love yung mga New Year's goals na we can manifest it with them, di ba? Manifest natin for them.
Sabi nga nila, yung pag-manifest daw, kapag nasa isip mo, wala pa siya sa world. Pero kapag i-manifest mo siya, i-verbalize mo siya, nasa world na siya at mangyayari na siya.
Exactly. Kaya verbalize mo nila. I love it. Happy New Year, Contrast!
Happy New Year!
Tama si Anthony. Happy New Year.
Okay, para kay Daniel. Para kay Daniel, from Daniel Distas. What is the most, Daniel Distas, rather, what is the most challenging and most fun part of your shoot?
challenging syempre, It's an action show, kaya medyo challenging lahat, medyo physical. Yun yung challenging part. Ano ka ba isa? Fun?
Most fun.
At the same time, fun din yan. Lalo na pag nagagawa niya ng tama, pag kami lahat kasama sa eksena, kasi execute namin ng solid. Doon lumalabas yung kasiyahan. Sobrang laughter.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. From Menchie Salazar from DJP, Significant Minds, Diana.
Alright, so syempre, Menchie wants to know, ano ba yung mga learnings na nagain mo, Daniel, in this teleserye, Incognito, and how will it affect you and your growth as an actor? It's giving Mr. World, ganun yung mga tanong nila.
Si Tito Ian na daw ang sasagot para.
Ito si Tita Menchie, Daniel. Tita Menchie.
Yes.
The growth, diba, wala na, lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo, diba? Isa na yun, tsaka, yun na muna, okay na muna.
Okay.
Text ko na lang sa'yo, ha?
Next na lang daw, Tita. Okay, mula naman sa fans club na Veneracion para po syempre kay Sir Ian Veneracion. Ano po ang pinakagusto mo sa karakter mo bilang Greg Paterno na hindi mo nagawa sa iyong mga previous projects?
Gusto ko dito, because I've been doing action movies ever since, and nag-enjoy talaga ako sa fight scenes, gunfights, fist fights. Tapos, ito, I have a chance to showcase that, and I'm working with really a production who specializes in action, and magagaling yung stuntman, and yun yung director namin, si Direct Lester, yung sa martial artist. Ang dali, sarap.
Ay, maraming salamat. Ngayon naman for Maurice from Roger, from Maurice Stellers Official. How does it feel na finally nakapag-action genre ka na?
Grabe, super exciting. As in, sobrang happy ko na naging part ako ng Incognito. Kasi ako, my whole life, siguro hindi ko akalain na magiging part ako ng action series. So to be part of this, it's very surreal. So this is like a chance for me to showcase my other skills na hindi ko alam na meron pala ako. So yeah, abangan nyo lang mga baril-baril.
Bang!
Bang, I love it. But of course, in line with the question from Roger,
Yes.
we also have a question from Kathy from Maurice Stellers Official. Siyempre, kilala natin si Maurice as napakakalog, funny, diba? Ngayon naman, action. So, besides the action side of your character, what else are you most excited for that your character brings?
Excited ako sa mga dahil my character here is actually a spy. So, she shapeshifts, she changes her appearance, she speaks so many languages. So, excited akong gawin yung mga eksena na yun and to infiltrate groups for the sake of our mission.
Oh my gosh, medyo curious na ako. Did you take language classes?
There's one na nag-aral ako on the spot. I had to talk to a bunch of very nice Italians. So, binuruan nila ako sa Italian. So, buong eksena ko sa Emily, nakakapag-Italian lang.
May basic Italian ba dyan na naalala?
What?
Next time.
Nakalimutan ko na eh.
Sa Incognito na lang, doon na abangan. Okay, para naman kay Anthony from Marian Javier, what lesson have you learned from working with the other casts of Incognito?
Marami naman. Mostly ng mga katulad ko, nila Sir Patch and kay Sir Benz, yun yung mga instructor natin sa mga tatagal. Maraming lessons kasi siyempre hindi naman ito talaga malulunod yung isang gano'n. Parang SWAT team talaga yung ginagawa ko.
SWAT team?
Oo, parang yung police na nag-review yung mga isa kaya nila. Hirap talaga. May mga tama ako ng airsoft bala. Ako lagi tinatamaan.
Ikaw ang target, paborito ako. Paborito ka. Sabi nga nito niya, di ba, physical? Physical talaga.
Pero masaya kasi natutunan mo siya, nakakuha ko rin siya, hindi ko kaya ko rin siya gamitin yung tutuwa. Ever lang naman. Okay, mag-depend sa akin sa
Hey, pasama ka, Anthony, isa.
Pasanto ka.
Charot. Okay, so syempre Anthony, you talked about yung mga learnings na natutunan mo dito sa show. Could you also talk to us about, on a scale of 1 to 10, ito, galing kay Julia Nicole, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yung growth mo as an actor dito sa Incognito? And why? O, di ba may and why? Mga 8?
Bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi siyempre, big show siya. So, ang dami namin dinner, maraming stands, ang daming first time ko makapasok sa ganito kalaki show talaga. So, yun na yung tato siya. Marami pa akong matututunan.
Yes, I love it.
Thank you, Anthony. Ngayon naman for Richard from Mega Villanea. Richard, what makes your role as Jose Bonifacio different from your previous action roles?
What makes him different? Well, every character that you try to portray, it's different persona that you're portraying as an actor. It's the first time that I'm playing actually a military man na very goal-oriented, very driven, and decide ba iba yung character compared especially to Ironheart. Mas may gray area yung character ni Jose Bonifacio.
Follow-up question, Richard. Ano naman ang pinaka-challenging experience while doing this project?
Challenging? Pinaka-challenging? Mahirap kasi pumili ng isang particular moment na challenging kasi maraming challenges na nangyayari. Especially na yung action scenes. Pero siguro isa sa mga challenges namin, siguro as a group, was our first big action scene na Tikong Tanawa. Kung saan bumabag yun, siglang mag-work and do that tayo. Tapos it's our first action scene as a group. Challenging siya, physically draining, pero I think nagawa namin na maayos, nagawa namin na tama as a group. And I think that solidified